Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloku ngikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ingakuphuthi lezi ndaba ongakwenza-ke njengamanje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lithi-ke sekuvele-ke elinye-ke indiya-ke laphana-ke lakhuluma-ke okunye-ke laphana-ke ngoJacob Zuma-ke ne-ANC nakhe laphana-ke laveza-ke okuningi-ke laphana-ke kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke wezwa ngami phela nje into enzenza nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo yalo-ke leli ndiya leli-ke uzwele wena ukuthi-ke lithini-ke. Mina-ke ngisengicela abantu masuzwile-ke le video leyo ngene ama-comment section-ke ufishe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke uyahambisana yini lo ushiwo-ke nguye-ke lo mlisa-ke lo ubhala ama-comment section-ke mase uyangixhasa ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloku kulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Hi guys, I want to speak to you guys about the Government of National Unity and what I have to deal with. Do you guys know that the most intelligent person in the ANC, I'm not saying qualifications, I'm not talking about qualifications, I'm not talking about degrees, I'm saying intelligent person is Jacob Zuma in the ANC. I know he's not in the ANC anymore, but just hear me out. Jacob Zuma is the most intelligent person in the ANC. Jacob Zuma was fired by Thabo Mbeki. What did Zuma do? He became head of the ANC and he fired Mbeki. Okay. Jacob Zuma do not even have a high school diploma. Okay. And he became worth, I think it's over 700 and something. It's over. He's got so many cases against him, and he became president of this country. And what did Jacob Zuma do? He didn't just leave it there. He says, no. Whatever I do wrong, I give you something. He made an ANC corrupt. Well, people might argue was already corrupt now. Know your history. What he did is, hang on. If I take something, I give something to someone else. I give something. So we're all in it together. And the Government of National Unity has to deal with this. Then Jacob Zuma leave the ANC. Okay, because I locked him out. They need to prove a point. And then Jacob Zuma joined MK. And what did Jacob Zuma do once he got into MK? Whoops, he kicked out the MK leader. Jacob Zuma, love him or hate him, you have to respect the man. You have to. And for you guys that haven't voted, this is what we have to deal with now. A party corrupted by Jacob Zuma, and now we have to deal with him again by the MK party. You have to understand that for the Government of National Unity, there's a long and rocky road ahead.